Hi, I'm Robin Steinman, Chief Operating Officer at Enable. We are here today and thanking Bloomberg and the New Jersey Symphony Orchestra for coming to our day program to entertain with some holiday music to all of our consumers.
Hi, my name is Anthony Camuso. I'm the Day Program Director of Employment Services here at Enable, and we just want to thank New Jersey Symphony Orchestra for being here today. Enable has been around for 30 years now. We provide an array of services to people with developmental, intellectual disabilities, as well as autism, and we actually have up to, right now, 20 group homes that we have individuals who are living there in different counties. We also have 4 day programs for individuals with disabilities, and we're currently looking to develop another 1 or 2 day programs. And we provide a number of services to enable individuals with disabilities to become more independent in their local communities and eventually lead to perhaps employment opportunities.
Well, I'm Francine Stork. I play principal second violin in the New Jersey Symphony Orchestra, and I'm a longtime member at this point. I joined in 1980 playing first violin and met this guy here, Jonathan. And I've been playing principal second now for, gosh, I don't know, about half the time that I've been there. So, yeah, I still love it every day. It's such an amazing thing to be able to go to work and play the music you love. So
certainly stay in shape, and it depends how busy our week is. If we have a lot of playing during the week, we have to prepare our music ahead of time. We have to spend however long it takes to prepare for the weeks that come up this coming week. We have Handel Messiah, we have The Nightmare Before Christmas, we have some other outreach gigs like this. So it's a lot, and we keep very busy with that.
unlike most violinists, I personally went into music as a career because I love the large, late orchestral repertoire. I personally love Stravinsky and Mahler and the big orchestral pieces that you don't even actually have access to as a young person. You know, as I got better and better and in better and better orchestras and discovered this repertoire, I just thought it was the most exciting thing ever, and it's totally my favorite thing to play.
In the orchestra, there's so many instruments and there's so many different colors of sound that you can get, that these big pieces are like a big palette for a painter. I also love playing Bach. It's just one of my favorite things in the world is to play in any group with Bach. So that's one of my favorite things.
So the Community Partners Program through the New Jersey Symphony is something that we have access to. We're not required to do it. We sign up for it, and once we do, we're encouraged to make our own programs up, which means we can program the music we love and play with who we want to play with. And of course, we've done that today with some of our favorite holiday selections and playing with each other. It's always fun. But there are so many different kinds of programs because there's different players in the orchestra, and everybody has contributed their little corner of what they love into their program. So it's a really varied program, and if someone calls and wants a small concert in their venue and we don't have something pre-existing, we're flexible enough, and there's always people around who know exactly what you're looking for, and we'll sit down and program it in order to serve you.
We had a wonderful performance today by the New Jersey Symphony Orchestra, and they were brought to us by our partners at Bloomberg, who have been volunteering at Enable for about a year now. They come each month with a group of volunteers, and they come to our day program and they do various activities and crafts with our consumers. In addition to that, they've even painted bedrooms in one of our group homes. They've helped out at our picnic where they helped serve food, they barbecued. They've been really wonderful. And I have Davina Tucci with me, and I'm going to have her tell a little bit about her involvement with our organization.
Awesome, thank you, Eileen. So my name is Davina Tucci. I work on the Global Philanthropy and Engagement team at Bloomberg, and I cover our New Jersey partnerships. We've actually partnered with Enable since back in 2006, and we've done various opportunities like Eileen was sharing. And we're very excited to be able to bring the New Jersey Symphony Orchestra to Enable. It's kind of one of our, we're very excited for opportunities where we're able to bring the arts to communities that wouldn't have access historically.